Hello students, welcome you all to my third lecture of environmental engineering. So today we will solve out some numerical problems based on geometric increase method and incremental increase method. So in my previous lecture we have already discussed about arithmetic increase method, geometric increase method and also incremental increase method. Then also let us remind a little bit what we have learned in our previous lecture. So, geometric increase method, we have discussed that this method is based on the assumption that percentage growth rate is constant. This is the formula Pn is equal to P naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, where the notations Pn is the forecasted population after n decades. That is, what will be the population after some n decades. Okay, then P naught is your last known population, the population that you have known. N is your number of decades, R is the assumed growth rate in percentage. Okay, so this method, it must be used with caution, for when applied it may produce too large results for rapidly grown cities in comparatively short time. And also this would apply to cities with unlimited scope of expansion, okay, where there is no limit, the growth is constantly increasing. Okay, so as cities grow large, there is a tendency to decrease in the rate of growth. Then incremental increase method is what? Growth rate is assumed to be progressively increasing or decreasing. So the growth rate, it might increase also, it might decrease also. Okay, depending upon whether the average of the incremental increases in the past is positive or negative. The population for a future decade is worked out by adding the mean arithmetic increase to the last known population, as in the arithmetic increase method, and to this is added the average of incremental increases, once for the first decade, twice for the second, and so on. So it is talking about this formula. Okay, this formula you are seeing now, Pn is equal to P naught plus Nx plus n plus 1 by 2 y bar. So let us know what are these notations. Pn is same, okay, forecast population after n decades. Then P naught is your last known population, n is your number of decades, x is your x bar is your average increase of population of known decades, then y bar is the average of incremental increases of the known decades of population, decades of expansion. Then this using this formula, it will be more clear to you after you work out an example. Okay, so in our next part of this lecture, we will be solving out some one or two numerical problems related to these two methods.